Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to check the distance between two places in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to check the distance between two places in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface, in order to check the distance between two places in Google Maps, first go to the place from where you want to check the distance. Like I'll be checking the distance from over here, and after going to that place or zooming on that place on the Google Maps, tap and hold on the particular point to which you want to check the distance. And when this kind of red pin or drop pin appears, swipe up this menu and you will be able to find the measure distance button available for us. Tap on the measure distance and this kind of a point will be available for you, where you can see if we drag the Google Maps, there is the blue line appearing, and that is the distance between the two places. Since the circle over the white circle over here is the first place, and let's go ahead to the another place where up to where we want to check the distance. You can also add some points if you want to. By doing this, guys, you can see the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you tap on it, a point will be added like this and you will be able to fluctuate your route. And by doing this, guys, you can see we have measured the distance between two places like this, guys, you can see, and it's currently showing 543 meters at the bottom of the screen. And this is how to check the distance. So let's do it again from a different place, guys. Let's drop this pen and let's go back, and again let's zoom out to the place where we can check the distance between two places. And after zooming into the first place from where we want to check the distance, let's tap and hold on that place. And when the red pin appears or the drop pin is dropped over here, you can see on this interface there is the measure distance. Let's tap on the measure distance, and when the circular point appears, that's the first checkpoint to check the distance. So let's zoom out and let's go to the place where we want to check the distance by adding some points over here so we don't miss out any turnings. And after adding certain points and going to all of these, and let's again add a point, and over here you can see, and the distance from me to the point where I want to check the distance is currently, you can see, guys, 899 meters. And with that being done, guys, this is how you'll be able to check the distance between two places in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.